In this video, we'll be jumping into the latest and greatest features on our all-new smart action camera, Ace and Ace Pro. Say hello to Insta360's latest creation, our smartest action cameras to date. Powered by a cutting-edge 5nm chip with AI denoising, PureVideo redefines low-light shooting, improved brightness, and improved dynamic range. This is all thanks to the AI chip utilizing an in-house neural network to intelligently optimize low-light shooting. Active HDR makes a return to the Ace series. This is automatically enabled when shooting in modes up to 4K at 30 FPS. Keep your video stable in action scenarios while guaranteeing clear, vibrant footage. Clarity zoom. This works by cropping Ace Pro's 8K capable sensor. Zoom in 2 times with a double tap without compromising image quality. Flip touchscreen. A 2.4-inch flip screen unlocks your creativity. A large, versatile flip screen that makes sure you get a clear view of what you're filming no matter the angle. AI Highlights Assistant. Another new feature for Ace, saving you time and space. First, turn on the AI Highlights Assistant and shoot your footage. You can tell if a clip has highlights made by the flag icon on the video in the album. If you're in manual mode, scroll through your footage and tap and hold to save the best moments. You'll then be able to choose the length of your desired highlight. Finally, you can cut and separate these files for later, or choose to merge them. This saves you card space by allowing you to keep only the best parts of your shot and deleting the old, unneeded footage. Connect Ace Pro to the Insta360 app and automatically receive a ready-to-share video of your latest adventures, all edited by AI. App background downloading. Once you're done filming, you'll get seamless file transfer from Ace to your phone. You can even leave it running in the background, as shown here. Go ahead and stay busy, and Ace will get your footage downloaded in no time. Pause recording. An easy way to save time. Pause recording allows you to tap to pause your current recording, making sure your final footage is all contained in one clip. Or you can continue adding shots to a previously finished clip. Swipe into the album, then tap the red button. Cancel recording. Not happy with your shot? Quickly cancel the shot you're taking, immediately deleting it, allowing you to perform a quick, easy retake without any hassle. Gesture control. Once on, gesture control lets you easily use gestures to control your recording. Perfect if you're operating somewhere crowded or you simply don't want to attract attention or noise via voice control. This even works if you're wearing a helmet or gloves. Voice control. Voice Control 2.0 is here. An all-new algorithm means that even when out of reach, Ace can get you the perfect shot. AI Warp. Did we mention our all-new crazy AI? Simply select AI Warp in the Insta360 Shot Lab and confirm the section of the video you want to warp. You can then choose from either warping the full video or just a subject via the custom brush tool, Smart Draw. After that, you can choose from our range of cool effects, or think of your own with Custom Prompt. You'll get a push notification when your video is ready.